What's up, party people? AndroidStud here. Today I have the Huawei P20 Pro, and I have a tempered glass that I picked up for a company called Supershieldz. I picked this up on Amazon. It was $7.99, so I wanted to try it out. I applied it last night, and I'm really liking it, so I wanted to do a video on what I thought of it and where you can get it and that kind of thing, and what comes in the package, that kind of thing. Now, this is very easy to install. You get two screen protectors here. I have the Huawei P20 Pro. As you all guys know, this is a really beautiful device. Got that real nice design. Got that Nacho Libre everybody's crazy about in 2018. You got the home button here on the front. So I wanted to find a good tempered glass for this, and I'm really liking this one. Now, the Huawei P20 Pro comes with a factory installed screen protector, but it's not the greatest. It gets a little smudgy. Screen can be a little dark. So now I put this on. I'm really enjoying the experience much more than I did with the other screen protector. Now, what comes in the package? Well, they give you two tempered glass, which is great. Supershieldz is a good company. I've used them a couple times on it. You get little instructions over here on the side that you can know how to install it. You get two of these alcohol prep pads, which you need to clean the screen. You get a couple dust absorbers, some guide stickers, and then you get two tempered glass in the package now, and you get a microfiber cloth with each one. So pretty good package that they give you on here. Now you just pull off the back end of this and you lay it on the screen. Now what I did with mine is I pulled off the old screen protector that came with Huawei, and I took my alcohol pad, wiped it all down, got it real nice and clean. Once it dried, I took my dust absorber, make sure there was no dust, no lint, nothing on top of that. You knock that out real quick, no problems. And then what you do is you peel off your tempered glass, you put it on there, and then you're good to go. And as you can see, this came out pretty nice. I mean, it's not totally edge to edge, but it's pretty darn close. I mean, I got no complaints when it comes to this screen protector. It's real nice. Now, I've been using a TPU case. This one here, not the greatest case. It's one that came with the phone. I'm gonna be picking up some other cases, so I'll let you know how it works with other cases. But it works with case. It looks like it's case friendly, so you got no issues there. But as far as protection, it's pretty good. You want to protect your investment on this P20 Pro. A lot of people talk about the screen, but look, let me tell you something, man. You have an Apple or Samsung, I don't care what you got. You drop your phone, you're gonna crack your screen. How many of us know an iPhone user, a Samsung user that has a cracked screen and they rocking it, and you're like, yo, you drop your phone? They're like, yes, I did. So protect your investment, man. Get yourself a nice tempered glass. So that's why I got it for the P20 Pro. This one is pretty good. I'm really enjoying it. Like I said, the installation was pretty good. Look at that, around the home button, then around the notch is pretty good. So I got no complaints, man. It's good protection on it. I like it. It's really interesting. The boys are going crazy in Team 100 chat room there, talking about the U12 Plus. God bless them. They're going at it. They're battling. Samsung versus HTC. Who's going to win? I don't know. Could be a knockout soon. But that's it, man. That's a nice little screen protector. And like I said, you could pick it up from Amazon. $7.99, Supershieldz. Also, they have a video on their website if you want to check that out. Also, the install is pretty easy, man. Wipe it down with the alcohol, do your little, make sure there's no dust on it, then peel the back, lay it on there, tap the screen. There's no halo on here that I've seen. Maybe a tad on the edges, but nothing really to write home about that I could see, man. So it actually turned out pretty good. I'm so used to putting on some of these cheaper tempered glass that it doesn't really it doesn't really work that good on some of the phones. So, but this one worked out pretty good. But that's it, man. Subscribe to the channel, man. Like this video. If you're not involved with AndroidStud, go ahead and join, man. I really love to have you part of my team. Leave a comment, like, subscribe, like I said. Also, you can follow me on Twitter Also on Instagram, Facebook, and Google Plus. You guys want to hit me up there. But I'm gonna be having some videos on this P20 Pro. Really enjoying this phone a lot, man. It's got a great camera. It's just phenomenal phone. So, but that'll do it, man. I appreciate you guys watching. I'll catch you guys next time.